guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a snowman. I know on the comments of my other video of me making a snowflake, y'all been asking when my next video is, and today is the next video, and I'll be showing you how to make a snowman. So first I'll show you all the stuff you'll need to make the snowman. First, I have these little shapes here. They're little circles. I got a big, medium, and small circle, and I cut them out with these scissors. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your glue, and I'm going to do this. Just trying to shake it up now. You take your big circle. I'm trying to figure out which way I want it. You take your big circle and you take your glue and shake it up. And I think I just dropped some glue. You put a little dot of glue right here. Oh, I got glue on my fingernail. You take your medium one and you put it over that one. I don't have to hold it down for long because I'm using a glue that dries really fast. If you don't have that, then if you're using Elmer's glue, some other glue, you're probably going to want to hold it down for about 30 seconds. Once you do that, you're going to take your other little circle. It's your small circle. And you're going to take your glue and shake it up. And put a little dot right there, like we did with the big circle. And then you're going to put the little one over the medium one. Just a little bit over the medium one. Same thing when we did the medium one over the big one. Right here, you're just going to put it over it a little bit so that it doesn't look bad. And like I said, I don't have to hold this down for a long time because it dries fast. I forgot to show this in the beginning, but this is an example of what it's going to look like. And it's over the eyes a little bit because I didn't make the head big enough. Okay, so next we're going to, let me put this in here just for a second. The next thing you're going to do, my glue just dropped over. So next, you're going to take, so what I did is I take black paper, and I took this little hole puncher right here. It's like a medium hole puncher. It cuts out circles about, well, that big, and it's big enough for the buttons. Sorry about that. Taking your glue, shaking it up. You're going to put just a little bitty dot of glue on the chest of the snowman. You're going to take your button and push it down. You got one button on there now. Next, you're going to put another little dot of glue. I'm going to try to put these separate away because I don't want them to look like they're just really close together. I'm going to hold that down. Then I'm going to take another dot of glue. It's probably going to be on the big one, but oh well. There we go. So we're done with the buttons. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm going to take this hole puncher and poke out another one once again because I lost my other eye that I have for the snowman. Give me just a second. You're going to take your little circles and take your glue. Let me put this in here. I'm sorry for how many times I'm having to put this in here. I have to put the needle in the hole of the glue every once in a while just to get all of the glue out so it can come out. I'm gonna put it on the circle this time just because. Okay. I'm gonna put that on. And then put glue, another dot of glue on the eye. Oopsie. Like that. So, there we go. And we have the eyes and the buttons. And next we're going to put on the nose. So I took some orange paper and this knife right here. And I cut out a nose. It's kind of pointy, but I tried to make it round. If there's any kids watching this, you need to get your parents to use this knife, or if you have any safety scissors, use those to cut out the nose. I don't know if I already said that, but just for safety. Okay, got the nose on. The next thing to put on are these stick hands, like that we have on the example. And then you're gonna put it on snowman like that. And then you're gonna take the other arm and put a little dot of glue on that one. And then stick that on the snowman. Okay, so now we have the buttons, the eyes, the nose, and the stick arms. The next thing we're going to put on is the little top hat. I kind of did worse on this one than I did on the other one, but oh well. Put a little dot of glue on the top hat. Hang on, let me just a second. I kind of messed that up. There we go. Okay, so that's it. Well, actually, that's not it. Sorry about that. You take a pencil or a black pen, and you're gonna make little tiny circles for the smile. So I'll give you an example. Here's the example. See the little mouth? Sorry, I'm getting up close. I took a pencil and I made little circles for the smile. I just kept doing that until it made a smile. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll show y'all when I'm done with the first circle. I'm done with the first circle. It's right there. It kind of looks like a beauty mark, but we're gonna ignore that. Making all the circles for the mouth. I'm sorry if I get really silent. It's just I concentrate a lot when I do that. If I'm concentrating on something, I don't really talk if I'm doing a video. Okay. That's it for this snowman. Ooh, it's falling out of my hand. So I'll show you the paper that I used. For the top hat, the buttons, and the eyes, I used this black paper. I used this black paper that's pretty thick. It's not like really thick, but it's okay. Can't really see how thick it is, but it's basically crafting paper that my nana had, and I used it. I used the same kind of paper for the nose and the stick arms. I used the same kind of paper, I just didn't use the same colors. And we already know that we've used pencil or pen is what y'all probably used for the mouth. And if any of you want these, I'll make some of them for my nana, and when she does orders, I will put my very own signature on the back of them for y'all. Well, that's it for this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and leave a like down below. Thank you for watching, and bye.